What's up, guys? I got 3 Kinder Joy surprises. I got it at Farmer's Market in Mount Vernon, New York. Let's start with this egg, guys. Okay. Me, same too. Oh, I got a scratch. It's okay, Kite. Let's go. Let's start with this one. Oh, this is the rules. Golden rules. This is kind of look like a nutrition fact. I tried this since 2016 or 15. Let's see what it is in here. Wow. Let's see what it is. Oh, I know what it is. I gotta take out the flyer. Ooh, what is that? Kind of looks like an alien. Okay. Let's connect this. Alright, step 1. Step 2 is looks like an octopus or a squid. A space squid. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna take forever. We'll do it at home. Our next one. Okay, this is the same one. We're gonna skip this because I don't have much time. Okay, we got a flyer. Looks like a Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, but it's not Christmas, but it's okay. I don't think there's no stickers in this toy. Yeah, there's no stickers. I think we're gonna skip build because we don't have much time. Alright, but Zook and Kit, you had to leave because it's only for girls. Okay. Because we got this one. You could sit next to the telephone right here. Okay. Okay. Alright. Kite, Lou, and Yaya. Let's do it, Kate. Okay. And Elinor. That'll be nice. Oopsies. Okay. Ooh, we got a seahorse? What is this? Oh, wow. Attention. You can know what Kit is Kit or a boy or a girl. You can tell me in the comments. Wow. That looks like a My Little Pony, but that's not My Little Pony. Kind of looks like My Little Pony, but it's not. It looks like a knockoff My Little Pony. I got it at also in Mount Vernon. Alright, that is easy. Okay, one more to go. Okay, and there we go. Sorry if it's not fixed. Alright, that'll be it.